Most people panic when the Empower app stops working. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, it is not a permanent issue. It is usually a simple connection, update, or account problem that can be fixed in minutes. In this video you'll learn the most common reasons Empower stops working in 2026, and how to fix it step by step so you can get the app running again. Let's start with the most basic issue. Sometimes the app is not actually broken. It is just outdated. If Empower is not loading, freezing, or crashing, the first thing you should do is check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Developers constantly push fixes, and older versions may stop working properly. For example, Alex tried opening Empower and got stuck on a blank screen. After updating the app, it worked instantly. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They update the app but ignore their internet connection. Empower relies heavily on real-time data from your bank. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, the app may not load properly, or may show errors. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Another common issue is bank connection failure. Empower connects to your bank account to show balances and spending insights. If your bank login expires or the connection breaks, the app may stop sensing data. Jake had this issue. His app looked fine, but no transactions were updating. Reconnecting his bank fixed everything. Let's move to another fix. Sometimes your device settings can interfere with the app. Low storage, background restrictions, or battery saver mode can all cause performance problems. Make sure Empower is allowed to run in the background without restrictions. In a minute, I'll show you a deeper fix that most users never try. If none of that works, try logging out and logging back in. This refreshes your session and can fix hidden sync errors. It sounds simple, but it solves a lot of problems. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the app is still not working, clear the cache. On Android you can do this in Settings. On iPhone, reinstalling the app usually achieves the same result. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing crashes or loading issues. Finally, check if there is a server outage. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. If Empower's servers are down, the app may not function properly until services are restored. So let's summarize the fixes. First, update the app. Second, check your internet connection. Third, reconnect your bank account. Fourth, check device settings and storage. Fifth, log out and back in. Sixth, clear cache or reinstall. And finally, check for server issues. The key takeaway is simple. Most Empower app problems are temporary and can be fixed with basic troubleshooting steps. If this guide helped you fix the issue, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.